this one. My makeup artist just came out. She's ordering the ring as well. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to take part on this because it is so limited. It is going to sell out, so I need you on the lines as soon as possible. Right there. Ooh, that color is breathtaking. I mean, tell me that is not the most beautiful canary color diamond simulator you've ever seen in your entire life. I mean, that is just so perfect. Perfect. That's more perfect than some of the canary diamonds I've seen, genuine diamonds. So I want to go over some of these details because it is so spectacular. Now, note, together with everyone for the entire world, we only have about 340 of these. It may sound like a lot. I'm telling you, it is not. We're in 90 million homes, so this is going to be a great deal. By the way, also, this is the last time it's going to be available to you at this price, $69.95. It's going to go up in price. So both tones are available. You could do the vermeil, and I'll hold both of them up right here so you could see both. You could see your choices. There it is in the vermeil. Here it is in the rhodium-plated sterling silver. So, I mean, in this one, you really, the metal, you could see more at the bottom and a little bit in the prongs. I would say if you wear both metals, go with the vermeil. Definitely a two-tone look. Now I'm going to take one of them away and talk details because this is so spectacular. Now, that stone that you're looking at right there is a perfected octagon cut. It is 18 by 13, and it's 26.5 carats alone. Then you'll have 67 additional points of canary diamonds in the look. But I want to talk about the colors that you see in this stone because this is where we really are proud to say that we have an exclusive color right here. Okay. I have just an update real quick before I go further. In the vermeil, which is going to be the 18 karat gold over sterling silver, we have sizes 5 through 8 only. 5 through 10 in the silver. Last chance at this price, by the way. Okay, take a look again. This color right here has been so perfected, and we have spent many, 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 many years getting or testing out different canary colors, if you will. This one has not been surpassed. I mean, it is just so brilliant. Take a look at, first of all, how clean that stone is. You could see every single facet, yet there's not a window. Do you see a window in the stone? Absolutely not. Then look at all of the colors. I mean, you have that rainbow effect that I was talking about, and every way you move it, you have so much beautiful brilliance and sparkle. I love having a bigger stone because you get that huge, huge table surface of light reflection to really give you the most beautiful color. Now, this stone in particular has a really interesting cut. You're definitely going to have the wow factor with this one. If you look right into the table of the stone, you can see every single facet on the pavilion tapering down to that culet. I mean, it's kind of hard to see in this shot. Can you see what I'm talking about? Every single facet you could see. Now, let me just turn it so that you can see the size of that stone. Do you see it encased in that beautiful setting? Now, I was saying a little bit earlier, great shot as well, that this definitely, even though it is a huge carat weight, because of the setting on this and how classy it is, because of that nice, clean cut of that octagon, it's so believable. The color is spot on. I mean, I don't know a lot of people that could afford a 27-karat canary diamond, but my goodness, this is really, I mean, this is something that I would definitely pay a lot more money for. Even if there was a 1 in front of that price tag or a 2, I would pay it because it is that special. And this is cubic zirconium. It is absolute cubic zirconium. So you are getting a stone that is even harder than a diamond. Or excuse me, it's 9.5 on the Mohs scale, so it's just under a diamond. So you get the hardness. You don't have to worry about it scratching up or anything like that. But then you get just this beautiful, very high-end, sought-after look that is really going to make people goo-goo. When I saw this ring, I went nuts. The first thing I did, I ran it back into the makeup room because my makeup artist, Sarah, who you just saw a little bit earlier, she has the same exact style as I do in jewelry. And I took it back there and I said, look at this. And she went nuts. She went nuts. So I'm sure that she's probably already in the ordering process. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. I just want you to take a moment and just look at that on the hand. That is class. That is absolutely magnificent. I mean, that is just the most beautiful ring. If you don't want to tell anyone, don't. I mean, this could very easily surpass or pass as a gorgeous, very high-end citrine, but it has the same exact beautiful color as canary diamonds. I mean, it is just that perfect color. I love this. Please use express ordering. Okay, now with everyone on the lines, we have less than, what, 185 for the entire nation. So don't let this pass by. It's the last time to bring it home at this price. It is going to go up after midnight. So you have until 11:59 or until they sell out. It is gorgeous. I'm keeping this one on.